if you want going on, for instance, PwC, you have corporate tax rate. I think that the best way is showing on the modern website. Modern US corporate tax rate. Okay, that's great. Let's go. Oh, wow, use some opportunity. And then that is it. Okay. The US corporate tax rate 25%. Right. So, yeah. Oh, just 25%. Okay. Original level of taxes, something like that. Okay. Fine, fine, fine. Good. And our net income will be 37 bits. Okay. Let's now check our income statement. So about the revenues, I've seen, let's suppose that this company works in the energy market. I've seen from Statista, this is the link, that the annual growth rate expected from the energy sector worldwide level is 4.84%. It's calculated 2024-2028. So I'm assuming that the growth rate of our revenues will be 0.84. 0.84. Okay. About our SG&A, I'm assuming that these are fixed costs, so we're gonna keep them flat. And our COGS, let's assume that these are the costs. I like to leave always here column dedicated to the notes. I think that can be useful. Okay, let's check our file and about these. Okay, and in terms of the depreciation, the percentage of revenue, let's see something like 4%. Okay, let's see. -5. Okay, so it's slightly lower. Okay, we don't keep something like that. Okay. About our CapEx, let's suppose something like, I don't know, something like 5. Okay. About our current asset, maybe we can make something like 15%, 15.5. And about our current liabilities, 25, I don't know. Obviously, these are inputs that you can customize as you want. Okay, according to your assumptions, you can change them all. Remember, this is just how we can do LBO model. So the purpose of the video is to give you an understanding about how this model works. Okay, so let's start with getting our revenues times 1 plus. Okay, the revenue for all over the period. About the top, that. Now I'm just watching the nothing. Yeah, that. So what's out will be equal margin times average. And growth over the area will be 1. These people get revenues. Gross margin will be this one is within these two. I four is our gross margin percentage basis. This is growth. Okay. We have set to oops, our SG&A flat. Okay. Copy this formula. Obviously, take it off is equal to 0. Let's go now to our data. Okay. Okay, perfect. So, okay, this is our EBITDA margin. And this is the growth year over year. About the G&A, we have said that our G&A are the 4% of our revenue, and it's negative. Okay, so about the amortization of financing and transaction fee. Plus if this 9, this one, well, then 5 years, block, then I regret this, otherwise we can 0. Is negative. Okay. Okay, perfect. So we're going to amortize our international transaction fee over 5 years. So I'm going to change this in 4. Okay. What's intercept? This is to 5 years. Our habit will be not just F. Okay. About interest expenses, let's see what the profit margin and its growth year-over-year. Okay. So about interest expenses, I keep this row empty for now because we have to model before our debt and interest schedule. Okay, maybe I can just link our interest to the interest expenses. Oh, my goodness. Okay, we have now our EBT, which stands for EBIT before taxes. Okay, this is the 25% of tax. I'd like to change forward this formula, saying that if the EBT is negative, then gives me 0. Otherwise, you can calculate taxes. Okay, so that is minus 10. Yeah, obviously we don't pay taxes. So the net income, okay. The net income divided by our revenues, year-over-year growth. Okay, let's go now to our cash flow statement. Okay, so let's start with our EBIT from the 2024. Right. I'm picking the EBIT just because I'm not in net income because I want to separate the interest expenses from my cash flow from operating activities. So just like generally doing a level free cash flow. And okay, then we attach the depreciation because it is non cash item, and we do the same from the amortization of financing section financing fees. Then obviously we subtract our taxes because it is a tax.